Be cool, dive into its meanings. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into a commonly used English phrase, be cool. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only its literal meaning, but also the varied situations where you can use it. So, let's be cool and start learning. The words be and cool separately have straightforward meanings. Be is a verb that means to exist or happen, and cool can mean a moderate level of coldness. However, when combined, they take on a whole new significance. Be cool, in its most literal sense, can mean to stay calm or composed. It's often used when someone is trying to prevent another person from overreacting or getting upset. Example: if someone is starting to get angry about missing their bus, you might say, be cool. There's another one in 10 minutes. In modern slang, be cool is often used to tell someone to be relaxed, stylish, or impressive. It's a way to compliment someone or advise them to stay awesome. Examples: 1. You should be cool and not let that bully bother you. 2. Your new shoes are really cool. Depending on the situation, be cool can mean different things. 1. Reassurance, when you're telling someone not to worry or overthink a situation. Example: it's just a small mistake. Be cool, we can fix it. 2. To fit in, when you want someone to act in a certain way so they don't stand out or draw attention. Example: when we go inside, just be cool and act like you belong. 3. Avoiding trouble, when warning someone to be careful or discreet to avoid problems. Example: the teacher is watching, be cool and don't get caught passing notes. Understanding the different meanings and uses of the phrase, be cool, will not only enrich your English vocabulary but also make you sound more natural when speaking. So, keep practicing, stay confident, and always remember to be cool. We hope this video has been helpful, and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy learning!